Hey guys, welcome to another video in the CBD 101 series. It's Matt
and Claudia,
founders at LiefRoyal, and we would like to talk about CBD oil in this video. As you've probably watched in the previous videos, we talk about CBD benefits, why is it helping you, and why is it helping so many people to fall asleep and have a really good quality sleep. Why is it helping others with their inflammation, pain, or maybe even chronic pain? And also, how is it possible that the same product is going to help you reduce anxiety and stress levels during the day or at night? Now, before we dive deep into today's topic in this video, we would like to ask you to like this video and hit subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our videos. Whenever we release a new one, you will be the first one to find out about it. Let's dive into the topic today. What is CBD and how to take it? Claudia will start from there. I'm just going to show you that we are holding a full spectrum CBD oil from LiefRoyal. It's 1250 milligrams. And don't worry, I know you've seen 100 milligrams, 500 milligrams, 5,000 milligrams, and much more. I'm going to talk towards the end of the video about those numbers. Why is it so much different? So don't worry about that. Let's first find out what is CBD oil, what do we have in this particular product, and how to take it.
So CBD, of course, cannabidiol. And here we have the LiefRoyal bottle. As Matthew mentioned, it's 1250 milligrams of CBD in this bottle. And the ingredients are, there's three main and only ingredients. It's pure CBD oil, we have a MCT oil base, and we have natural sweeteners. So we have two delicious flavors as well. One is mint and the other one is orange.
Delicious.
Yeah, Now there are many ways of taking CBD, and over this tincture you usually just take your perfect dosage, and we have marked droppers so you know how much of CBD oil you're taking each time, and you just put it under your tongue. You wait up to 60 seconds. I wait like around 30, and then you just swallow it, and you wait about 30 minutes. And you can feel the effects and the benefits kicking in. And we also heard we also heard from our customers that they're putting it on their face or their knee or wherever they feel pain on their body, and it helps them in that way as well.
If you have inflammation in your pain, CBD is anti-inflammatory and antiviral as well. So a lot of customers are taking it on the face or the skin, and they've seen good results with it as well. We do it sometimes too. And exactly, so now maybe I'm gonna tell you what is the difference between whatever those numbers, those milligrams, and how is it super simple way to understand it. So in this particular bottle, we have 1250 milligrams. Imagine that this entire bottle has 1250 milligrams of CBD in it. That's it. If you would have 500 milligrams CBD oil, at this point, the entire bottle, which is 30 milliliters, will have 500 milligrams. All right, so now we got this. So how can you find out if you want to take only 10 milligrams? Well, each full dropper, which is marked in this case, is 1 milliliter. So what you have to do, you have to divide it. So if this bottle has 1250 milligrams and you know that there is 30 milliliters, each dropper, in order to find it out, you have to divide 1250 by 30, and that is going to give you around 43 milligrams of full spectrum CBD per dropper. If you want, and that's what we are recommending, starting with 10 milligrams only, you simply take a quarter of a dropper.
That is marked, so you
That is marked.
know.
It's super simple. I know it sounds complicated. Again, this is 1250 milligrams full spectrum CBD. I want to know how much is one dropper, and all I have to do is divide 1250 by 30. That gives me the full dropper amount, which is in this case 43. Now, if you want to find out how much is a quarter of a dropper, you divide it by 4.
And you have everything written down here, all the numbers, how the serving size, everything is here, so you don't have to.
Exactly. And as Claudia has mentioned, you start with small dosage and you gradually increase it. No, you don't have to be worried about side effects. If you take a little bit too much at night, you might be sleeping longer than you expect. That's most of the side effects that you can get. But the point is to find the perfect dosage for you, because you want to optimize your day, optimize your sleep, and optimize your pain management and stress management. And that is why CBD, you don't want to overstress your endocannabinoid system. Just like with painkillers, you don't take 2,000 milligrams of ibuprofen at once or whatever crazy dosage it is. For some people, less is better. The same with CBD. You want to find your perfect dosage. So for me, I know that if I take 10 milligrams of CBD during the day, I will feel optimized. I will feel good. My alertness will be increased, and I'll feel optimized. I know when I'm tired and I still want to make sure that my sleep is going to be perfect, I take 10 milligrams to 20 milligrams at night, 1 to 2 hours before going to sleep. Now we have customers that need a full dropper or 2 droppers in order to see the benefits. So you have to figure it out, and the best way is to just start with 10 milligrams and grow gradually. You'll see the difference, and that's why if you have taken some, let's say, a few drops, which is 10, 20 milligrams, next day you wake up, you didn't see any difference, take a little bit more. If you have seen the difference, just keep to stay with this dosage. Don't go anywhere higher, and you're gonna see the benefits. So that's pretty much it. When it comes to choosing your product, it's really important to read the lab results. You want to make sure that the product that you're using has actually good quality CBD in it. There's no chemicals, no pesticides, and you're taking something that is worth the money. And quite frankly, you've seen that CBD is pretty expensive, and the reason being is that it actually works. It helps people to optimize their day and sleep.
It's like CBD, create better days.
Exactly, and that is perfect conclusion for this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the next video we are going to wrap it all up, add few really important things to begin for those who are trying it for the first time. So watch the next video in the series and really get the clear understanding of what CBD is, and then after watching the next video, you can decide if you want to give it a try or no, you know what, I don't need it, I'm going to pass for now. So watch the last video in the series, video number 5. We are going to see you there.